So guys, wapendwa muziki attended DJ Dibol and Dorea Chege's daughter Tifara Wanjiko's birthday party, and this is how they performed their beautiful music. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Look at your neighbor. Amefanya Mungu. One more time. 1, 2, let's go. Tennessee. Amefanya Mungu. Zungukana twende. Amefanya. One more time, zungukana. Pull up DJ. Amefanya Mungu. Barikiwe sana.